Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about the upgraded Morris ProAG HD4SR Plus bale wagon. So we've got one here in front of us today. These have been just a tremendous little workhorse over the years, and they've made some nice little upgrades. The first thing that you'll see is it has a little bit wider flotation tires on it, so you get better load carrying capacity in the field with less compaction. So that's kind of a nice feature. The other thing that was added is they added this extra tube along each side, so you end up with extra support farther out on your bale. And the way that they put that tubing on, it's set up so that it doesn't restrict the flow of the bale sliding down, because that's probably the number one issue that people have is bale sliding on there. As you can see, this one has brand new fresh graphite on it. That's very important. You either have to have it polished up perfectly, or you need to apply a coat of that graphite so that you get your bales to slide, especially when there's a little bit of dew or the bottom of those bales have gotten a little bit damp, that they've picked up some moisture from the ground. Probably not a big issue this spring, or this summer, but you can see it in some of the hay fields at times. So you can get that graphite from the parts department. We keep it in 4-liter pails. You literally take a brush and just brush it on, let it dry, and then it just helps to keep that surface slippery. If you have any questions about the wagon, give your sales guy a call, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.